Yo, what's up everybody, it's your Tech Man Mark here, and today we're diving into the world of affordable 4K TVs with the Samsung 43-inch class DU7200 Series Crystal UHD 4K Smart Tizen TV. Now that's a mouthful, so let's just call it the DU7200 for short. This 2024 model comes in at a wallet-friendly $229.99, making it a tempting option for budget-conscious consumers looking to upgrade their home entertainment setup. But, is it any good? Stick around as we break down everything you need to know about the Samsung DU7200. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about Samsung for a second. They're a powerhouse in the tech world, known for pushing boundaries and delivering top-notch quality. In 2024, they're still at it, constantly innovating and refining their products. The DU7200 might be their budget offering, but it still benefits from Samsung's years of experience and commitment to delivering a solid viewing experience. Alright, let's get technical, but not too technical. The DU7200 boasts a 43-inch display with 4K resolution, which means you're getting 4 times the detail of a standard Full HD TV. That translates to sharper images, richer colors, and an overall more immersive viewing experience. It also features Samsung's Crystal display technology, which enhances color vibrancy and contrast for a more lifelike picture. But wait, there's more. The DU7200 runs on Samsung's smart Tizen OS, giving you access to a plethora of streaming apps like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Disney+, and more. You can even control the TV with your voice using the built-in voice assistant. Now let's talk about what makes this TV shine. First up, the price. At $229.99, the DU7200 offers incredible value for money. You're getting a 4K TV with smart features at a price that won't break the bank. Second, the picture quality is surprisingly good for a budget model. The 4K resolution and crystal display technology combine to deliver sharp, vibrant images that are sure to impress. Finally, the smart Tizen OS is intuitive and easy to use, giving you quick and easy access to all your favorite streaming services. While the DU7200 has a lot to offer, it's not perfect. One thing to keep in mind is that the sound quality is decent, but honestly not outstanding. You might want to consider investing in a soundbar if you're looking for a more immersive audio experience. Secondly, while the DU7200 supports HDR, it doesn't have local dimming, so the HDR performance isn't quite as good as what you'd get from some higher-end models. And lastly, the TV only has 2 HDMI ports, which, might not be enough for folks with multiple devices like gaming consoles, cable boxes, and Blu-ray players. So, what are people saying about the DU7200? Well, it's currently sitting at a respectable 4.6 out of 5 stars on Amazon, based on 566 reviews. Users really praise its sharp picture quality, user-friendly interface, and affordable price point. However, some folks have mentioned the average sound quality and limited HDR performance as drawbacks. Overall, the consensus seems to be that the DU7200 is a great value-for-money option for budget-minded consumers who prioritize picture quality and smart features. So, who is this TV perfect for? If you're looking for an affordable 4K TV with smart features, and you're not too picky about audio quality or HDR performance, the DU7200 is a fantastic option. It's also a great choice for smaller rooms where a 43-inch screen is the perfect size. But if you're a serious gamer or movie buff who demands the best possible picture and sound quality, you might want to consider spending a bit more on a higher-end model. Some alternatives to consider include the TCL 43S535, which offers similar features at a slightly lower price point, or the Hisense 43H8G, which boasts better HDR performance and sound quality for a bit more money. In conclusion, the Samsung 43-inch DU7200 is a solid, budget-friendly 4K TV that offers a lot of bang for your buck. It delivers impressive picture quality, a user-friendly smart TV experience, and comes at a price that won't leave your wallet crying. While it may not be the best choice for hardcore gamers or cinephiles, for casual viewers and budget-conscious consumers, the DU7200 is definitely worth considering.